Dear team, today we have launched one more video to modify the teacher details, the headmaster details. So log into your TMS using your user ID and password. Now, suppose you want to change the head teacher name and the email ID, just click on edit, modify the name and the email ID if required. Just click submit. Here you can see I have added one dot in the name, and if I again want to modify, I am removing the dot and saving it. So this is how you would be changing the headmaster name. Suppose you want to change the class which you have selected at the time of registration. You can change it using change password option. So here you can change by entering the password if you want to change. Okay. And then once you select the class change and update it, then this class it will be updated. Okay. So this is how using edit option to change the head teacher name and the email ID of the head teacher and the class, present class. If you need to change, you can change it from here. There is one more option I have added under the student. This is present status. What does this present status do? It will help you to find the student if you are having the pen ID. Means you will be able to know what is the present status of the student which you will be having the pen ID. Suppose if get one pen ID, suppose I copy this pen ID, which I don't know. Suppose there is one pen ID and you want to know what is the present status of this pen ID in an entire state. Once you click here and paste the pen ID, filter it, it will show the status. Means it will highlight, will guide you what is the present status and what action to be taken by you. Okay, suppose it is showing enrolled. So what he is guiding you, you cannot transfer this student to your school. If you want to enroll this student, then the previous school must mark this student as TC taken. So this student, Akansha, he is studying here, okay, in the scholarship district, okay, and this is the UDICE code. So if you want to what action is required if you are entering the pen, if it is say enrolled, then you cannot take the student until it is marked as TC taken by the previous school. Suppose there is one student, if I search, suppose Abraha, I just copy the pen and if I check for Abraha present status and I filter it, it is showing pending. Pending means what action to be taken? Use transfer from another school facility. He is guiding you, this module is guiding you. You have to use the transfer from another school facility to transfer the student into your school. Suppose do that, going transfer from other school facility, and if I use the pen, then if you just see the student has came here and while clicking update, this student will go to in your student list. Suppose if there is one more student, if I found Just see the another student, one more example. And if I check the present status of this pen ID, it will show pending. So this is guiding you. It will also guide you as per the present status and which module to be used to get that student into your student list. So this is how you would be using this present status module. Okay. If you don't have any pen ID, then you can use student search to have that pen ID. Once you get that pen ID, paste that pen ID to present status so that you might be knowing what is the present status and where you have to get that student from either from the Dropbox or either from the transfer from other school option. Okay, so the present status will guide you how you will react, whether you want to use the transfer from another school facility or whether you want to use the Dropbox facility. Okay, so after searching the pen, just go to present status and check what this system is guiding, whether you want to use the Dropbox or whether you want to use the transfer from other facility. Okay, if the pen ID is not found here, then you can use the add student. Okay, so this is how you would be using this present status option. Thank you.